everyone, welcome to my channel. You're watching She Dreams Hues and this is Divyani. Today we're going to make this wall hanging here with the help of cardboard. It's really easy and quick to make. You can try this with your children and it adds a little color to your home decor. So just let's begin. So I've cut out an elephant on a cardboard and now I'm going to trace this on a piece of cardboard and cut out a lot of these. And you can work on any shape. It can be a flower, it could be a monkey, it could be a giraffe, whatever you want, whatever your children like. And then I've just traced it on a larger piece and I've cut out a lot of these elephants. Now I'm going to work on a patterned or a printed paper. As you can see here, I bought these paper books. I don't know what they're called, but I bought these from a store nearby. And they have really nice cute prints on them, so I just chose whatever I like and I traced the cardboard cutout onto these sheets. It's very easy and you just have to paste them. And now I'm going to paste jute string on these cutouts. I'm using a piece of paper and just pasting them with regular Fevicol. I also hung a bell at the bottom of the wall hanging, and here it is. It's done. It looks really nice.